What if I told you you could lower your tax liability without actually complicating your finances? So far too often, I run across people who come to me with some brilliant tax strategy that they found on TikTok, and the first thing that comes to mind is, man, that is really complex. You don't need to do that much to see those tax savings. In fact, what you may come to realize is that the legal fees that you would pay to get all that set up will actually be more than the tax savings that you would reap. Again, that's not to say that there aren't situations where that may make sense for a very high income earner, but for most people, you don't need to overcomplicate it. In fact, the simplest strategies sometimes are the most impactful for your tax situation. For example, just simply tracking your income and expenses is step number one. And far too often I run across people that want to do these very complicated tax strategies that involve multiple moving parts and multiple trusts, when in reality, if they could just consolidate things and just simplify it, they would be a lot better off. You'd be surprised at how far simplicity can actually get you. I was a student athlete whenever I was in college, and one of the things that I quickly realized was the big difference between the smaller schools and the really big schools like UT and Texas A&M is these big schools do the fundamentals right every single time. Whereas the smaller schools, like the school that we went to, if we made just one or two mistakes, these bigger schools would always capitalize on that. So are you ready to keep more of your hard-earned money? Follow me now for more top tax saving tips and strategies that actually work. And don't forget to scroll through my past posts to ensure that you are maximizing your current tax situation.